Hello students, in the last class we studied about alimentary canals and secretory glands, and in this class we will study about mouth. Mouth is also known as buccal cavity or oral cavity. We all know that mouth helps us in eating, drinking, speaking and breathing. Mouth also helps us in taking the food inside the body, which is known as ingestion. So ingestion is done by mouth, and ingestion is a process of taking food inside the body. The different parts of the mouth are lips, hard palate, soft palate, vulva. When you open your mouth and observe the back, you will observe a tiny thing hanging inside the back of your mouth, which is known as vulva. You can see in this picture. And then tongue. I'm sure everybody knows what tongue is. And then teeth. And the last is the salivary gland. We'll study about tongue, teeth and the salivary gland. So let's start with teeth. Teeth helps in mastication of food, which means chewing of food. So mastication involves biting, chewing and grinding of food. So the first and foremost function of the teeth is mastication of the food. This is the gums. Gums acts as the anchoring point and helps in firmly holding the teeth. The upper portion of the teeth above the gums is known as the crown of the teeth. So the crown is covered with the enamel. Enamel is the hardest tissue or substance in the human body. So if someone asks whether the bone is stronger or the enamel, you should say enamel, because enamel is the hardest substance in our body. There are total of 32 teeth in human body, and the upper jaw consists of 16 and the lower jaw consists of 16 teeth each. In each jaw, you will find 4 different kinds of teeth. The blue one is the incisor teeth. We have 4 incisor teeth in each jaw. Incisors have sharp edge and helps in cutting and biting the food. For example, if you eat an apple, you will use your incisor teeth. And the next is the canine teeth. So the incisor teeth are present between 2 sharp and pointed teeth, which is known as the canine teeth. The canine teeth helps in piercing and tearing of food. For example, if you eat meat, then you will be using your canine teeth. The green color teeth in the picture is known as the premolar teeth. There are total of 4 premolar teeth in each jaw. They have pointed elevations called as cusps. Therefore, they are also called bicuspids, and they are used for cutting food by repetitive opening and closing of the jaw, which is known as chewing. So the premolars' main function is chewing. There are total 6 molar teeth in each jaw. They have 4 cusps in. The molar teeth is used for cutting and grinding of food. Each tooth is placed in different socket in the gums. Eating too much sweet can damage the teeth. Our mouth is a living place for many microorganisms. They are not disease causing, however. If you did not wash your mouth properly every day, then other harmful microorganisms begin to grow. These harmful microorganisms convert the sugar into acid. The acid acts on the teeth and damages them. This acid forms cavity in the teeth, which results in tooth decay. So if you don't brush your teeth regularly, you will have tooth decay. Tooth decay can cause tooth pain or toothache, and even severe tooth decay can cause the teeth to fall out. So to avoid tooth decay, you should brush or wash your mouth twice a day. The next is the salivary gland. The salivary gland secretes saliva, which is an enzyme which converts the complex food material starch into its simpler form so that our body can digest it easily. The starch is converted into sugar. The third part of the mouth is the tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ in the mouth. Primarily, it helps us understand the taste of the food. The bitter taste can be identified by this green region, and the sour taste can be identified by this yellow region. So all these five different tastes can be identified by different regions of the tongue as given in the picture, and this is because the tongue has taste buds which can identify these five basic tastes of the food. Tongue also helps in mixing of saliva in the food, and it also helps in swallowing of partly digested food. Now, in humans, there are two types of teeth, the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. Milk teeth is the teeth which grows first time when we are a small baby. They are temporary teeth, and the permanent teeth are those teeth that grow when the milk teeth falls off. They are the second set of teeth, and the permanent teeth cannot grow back if you lose the teeth. So that's it for today, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. And in the next class, we'll study about the esophagus, which is known as the food pipe. Thank you.